Hello guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Trip Today. In today's video, we are going to share you our updates regarding the layer H. So we are going to connect our Twitter. So I'm going to show you how to connect your Twitter using your layer H step by step. So before you go direct into our video, so kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So before we go direct into our video, so make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end so that we didn't miss any step or any update. So let's go direct. Let's go together. So we are waiting the website to be like loaded, fully access. So as you can see here is the interface of my layer edge testnet. So the first thing you need to do is to come up like this side, in this three option side, you have to click on it. So when you click on it, we have like tags, flow, for referral main. So we don't want to like all this one, but we need to click on tags. So when we click on tags, it will like show us too many options like where we will mint our OG fast and free fast that we minted for this layer. So let's wait for it to be loaded. So it's open like this. We have to scroll down so that we will go and mint, go and connect our Twitter account. So as you can see, we have like our mint and OG play fast, and again here it is like OG fast, which is among this one there is one which is free and there is one which is cost some penny. So again, here it is like submit a proof, which is you're going to like submit it like any information that you used to share regarding your information. So this is Round Browser Lite, so this is we used to do it like daily. And again, here as you can see is to connect your Twitter account. After then we connect our Twitter account, like in the last week of Layer H Testnet Season 2, so they are going to provide us like this one, which is like link your CLI Lite client to your wallet. So this CLI, I will like it is not financial advice, but for me, definitely I will like make an eye for it to be whenever like it be available, I will definitely go and buy that CLIs because it will increase my point massively consider to what is happening like in Nexus Adder. So uh and let's go and connect our Twitter account. Let's click on connect. So when we click on connect, definitely it's gonna redirect us to our Twitter so that we should like authorize it. So as you can see here is the interface, like as you can logging into your X account so that you should authorize the X account using like your layer H. So let's click on clear and let's log in. So as you can see, the layer H are redirecting like to the website. Like I need to authorize the access for this layer H. So I need to come and click on this authorizer. So simply as you can see here is the method. Like here is a step-by-step procedure as you can connect your S account for your layer H testing. So as this is the procedure. So let's click on verify so that we may see like if it is verified or if we may do it correctly. So let's click on signature. So I need to authorize this on my fingerprint. So without saying much in this video, so if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So congratulations to us, we have completed the X account connection. So regarding all these tasks that they provide, we have completed like one by one and step by step. So at the last one that we are waiting, so it is like a day, like a week to the end of the testnet, like they will provide it with a CLI. We are going to like buy it using uh Mintia or other also or other was website. I forgot it, but I will provide a video. I will make the video regarding this CLI whenever it is like available or the time it's reached. So thank you. If this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, can't